Hi, friends. Welcome to Make All the Things with Me. This is Leah, and today I am duping some high-end decor pieces, or I should say high-price decor pieces. So the first one, I found this on Wayfair, and it was like $26 or $27, and it's not exactly like the garland that I'm duping. I think it's kind of better. The first one had carrots and sticks. I don't get that. But I used these carrots from Dollar Tree. They are wrapped in like an orange twine. And so I just spread them across a jute twine string. And then I went in with some Excelsior and I used the little carrots just to embellish the Excelsior. I thought it was way cuter than the original, but I did like this garland piece. So I knew that I wanted to recreate it. It's coming along so nicely, and it only cost me like $3. I already had everything, so if I were to purchase it again at the Dollar Tree, I'd pay $1.25 for each of the carrot packs. And there it is on sale for $26. I think I like mine better. What do you think? The sticks just didn't make sense to me. All right, friends, this is the I Can Dupe It for much less and much better collaboration. I co-host with my friend Lori from Farmhouse Stencil Shop, and I'm Leah from Make All the Things with Me. Please, in the description below, you will find the link to the playlist. Go on over there, watch all of the creators in the playlist. We would so appreciate it. Follow along, subscribe to everyone's channels. All right, so for my next dupe, I saw a card on a Walmart website for like $14 in change. So I cut up the cardstock, and if you want to screenshot this, this is the size of all the little pieces in my card. So the original card was a card with quilled flowers. I don't quill, but I do have flowers, and I use that card as inspiration. I have stamps, cardstock galore, and I just love finding inspiration and other things to make cards. So I used a friendship stamp and just put this card together. The other card was very simple and I absolutely loved it. And this one, I love it as well. And I just made a little flower bundle, glued it onto the paper, added a little bow and a button, put the cards put all the card pieces together to make this beautiful card. And since it's a lumpy card, I grabbed a bigger envelope. It'll fit in there. I wouldn't mail it in that envelope, I would use maybe a bubble mailer, or it's always perfect to hand it to someone in person with a gift. But I love 3D cards, and I absolutely love how this one turned out. And again, this one just cost me probably under $1 because I had all the supplies, and it's just pieces of the cardstock that I use. Okay, so my next one is from Home Depot. So at Home Depot, they had, like, it was these big three ring decor pieces, wall decor pieces. And I knew I had something in my stash that I could kind of recreate. So I had that big metal piece. I thrifted it somewhere. I think I saved it from garbage. I think I found it on the curb. I don't know. I've had it for so long. And this project inspired me to get this out and make it. And I like this way better than the inspiration piece from Home Depot. And even though they were three and I only had one, I just wanted to show you that, you know, you can look online, you can look in stores, and you can make beautiful decor pieces for so much less. And I love what I used. I put everything together. That little black piece that I painted, it was a patina color from Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint, and that is yellow ochre. And I gave them all a base coat of white paint. I used Waverly white chalk paint, and but that little black piece was a little, it had a mirror in it. It's from Dollar Tree. The flower, the metal flower, is also from Dollar Tree. And I've had them in my stash. I don't even know how long. I can't tell you, but when I saw this piece from Home Depot, I knew, like, I had to make it. I love them. I love that, and I can't wait to just hang this up on my wall. I gave them all a final coat of antique wax by Waverly, and it just brought the whole piece together. And then I used a cement glue and hot glue to put all the pieces together. This one has to be my favorite. What do you think? Do you do that? Do you dupe high-end decor pieces to fit your budget, to fit your decor, to use it as inspiration? I didn't really want to recreate everything exactly like my dupe item. I kind of tailored it to my taste, and I really do love the results. And here are the 3 dupes that I recreated. I love how they turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.